Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord's oil life. First, locate your vehicle's information display. You'll use the steering wheel controls to navigate through the menus. Access the main menu, then look for the Vehicle Settings option. From there, you can proceed to the Maintenance submenu to begin the reset process. It's a straightforward procedure that ensures your car's system is accurate after an oil change. To access the Maintenance menu, use the buttons on your steering wheel. Typically, you'll press the menu button to bring up the main options on your display. Then, use the up and down arrows or the selector wheel to scroll through the choices until you find Maintenance. This section holds all the important service indicators for your vehicle. Once you're in the Maintenance menu, select Oil Life from the list of items. To initiate the reset, press and hold the Enter button or the equivalent button on your steering wheel for approximately 10 seconds. The system will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Select Yes to complete the process and update your oil life indicator. After confirming the reset, double-check your display to ensure the oil life now reads 100%. It's crucial to perform this reset every time you get an oil change, so your vehicle's maintenance minder accurately tracks your service intervals. For any specific model variations or additional details, always refer to your Honda Accord's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.